Welcome to day 6 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge. Today we're bringing some calm organizing vibes to your bathroom counter. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to functional space that makes your mornings feel effortless. Let's dive in and transform the space together. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We're in week 2 of our challenge, focusing on key areas of your home. Over the next few days, we'll tackle the bathroom, cleaning, and laundry supplies, and the linen closet. If you're just joining, welcome. Each day is designed to fit into your busy schedule. You don't need to follow it in order, but you can follow along on my journey through this challenge. Grab the free printable checklist from the link below this video. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Let's kick off today with the bathroom counter, a space we all use daily but often overlook. We're going to clear the clutter, streamline what stays, and add some stylish storage to keep everything in check. I live in a multi-generational household, so sharing the main bathroom can be a pain sometimes. However, keeping it clutter-free is essential for our sanity. Here's how we're transforming your bathroom counter in 3 simple steps. Clear the surface, essential elegance, and stylish storage. Step 1, clear the surface. The first step is to remove everything from your bathroom counter. Yes, everything. Let's start with a blank slate. Place your items in a box or a bin so you can sort through them easily. Take a moment to wipe down the counter. A clean surface instantly makes the space feel fresher and more inviting. Step 2, essential elegance. Now it's time to decide what earns a spot on your counter. Ask yourself, do I use this daily? Does this make my routine easier? Keep only the essentials like your toothbrush, soap, and lotion. If you have more than that, you can add those as well. The goal is to simplify your morning and bedtime routine. Everything else you can find at home in a drawer, cabinet, or basket. Step 3, stylish storage. Finally, let's bring in some chic organizers to keep things tidy. Trays, jars, or small baskets can help sort your items while adding a touch of style. Choose pieces that match your bathroom's aesthetic and make your essentials easy to grab. If you don't have anything now, make a note of what you want to get. Pro tip: opt for clear or labeled containers for even more organization points. And just like that, your bathroom counter has gone from chaos to calm. Doesn't it feel amazing to have a functional space? If you have tackled your bathroom counter today, I'd love to hear how it went. What's one item you were happy to get rid of? Share your wins in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're ready for tomorrow's tasks as we keep the decluttering energy going. Remember, progress over perfection is what the challenge is all about. You got this. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 7.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.